Okay, so for most of us who are using the manual garage door opener, we had been hanging our garage door opener at or the switch which we use to open our garage door in the sun visor. But that creates another problem because then this portion of the car gets scratched. This is the headliner is getting scratched because of this clip right here. So I thought of various places where I can hang it. So what I found is I think it works better for me. Let me show you what I did. Some people put it elsewhere, but then I think this is just a place which is easy for most of us to reach. So right there below, underneath the car seat, there is a place where you can hang your garage door opener. So something like as you this. See, there is a bar right here, and if you hang your garage door opener, like there's a lip here, if you can hang your garage door opener like this, so then it is hanging right there, and then you can see, you can access it like from there. It's hiding underneath, and then you can still access it. That's how it has worked for me. So I thought maybe I can quickly share a video with you.
So another way I thought I can show you is basically, in a different direction where the garage door opener, the clip is in the front, and this is another way you can hang it. And I think this is a better way than what is previously shown. So if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.